The headmaster of the secondary sections. I am very happy to be here with you, and I would like to thank Mahindro, the chairman of the managing committee. We have already speak with him in a telephone, and then I am very glad to hear that there are many students in the school, and even though we have many challenges, especially here in border area, but I hope that we have to cooperate one another. You have to work hard as a student, and then as a teachers also we have to work hard in order to achieve our goals. And then I have to tell you my name. My name is Pen Kubor El Monai. You can call me Sa PK, or you can call me Sa Penkub. Alright? What is my name? Penkub, Sa Penkub, or you can call me Sa PK, Sa PK. I don't have much to speak, but I will want to introduce our teachers, our new teachers. Sa Babok for science, and then Sa Lambok for maths, and then Peacefulness in English teachers, and then Mrs. Queen for MILKC, and another Miss Alicia Nong room. She is not here because she will deliver a baby soon, so she cannot come here. But I think you have already know her, and I think she don't need to introduce again. So, di kaban ni kong ako aban ay kublay ya ka office di SEO mo ba kala ay yangi kanikalat bangan wan siya ni ka school ka Langpih bangan Langpih u headmaster jong ka secondary section nangta ngai kublay ro ya ima Mahindro mo by the chairman nangta yu secretary jong ka managing committee but ya baro hi but ngai kublay ro ya ki nong ikai jong ka opar primary section nangta ngai kublay ro kumju ya ki nong ikai ki ba wan lang ban ngi mo te kumju ro ngai kublay ya pi ki khana school mo pi day kita kilaway jong ka ne ka imlang kasalang mo pin salong AA hadin habot te kadon kam yang itang bangin tre sitom mo kadon kam bang tre sitom but nga kermen ru bangin ya tre lang iway pat mo pin ya tre lang bat kinong ikai ngirung in ya tre lang bat pi bat kumjurung in ya tre lang bat ke MC mo cooperation is very important in order for us to grow mo we look for all round development for each and every student. I think that's all for my side. Thank you. God bless you.